Business owner, I'm about to break down the exact step why you have a failing system right now. And the failing system you have right now is currently a lead graveyard. I'm about to explain it for you. I'm about to explain the old way of you acquiring it, the old way the system has bent you to actually go. Right now, it might not be your fault, but right now, what I've seen in the process of actually helping my client generate leads and close the deals very fast and efficient is that they lack the knowledge, they lack the information. But right now in this video, I'm about to break down everything for you, okay, on how to actually manage your leads, qualify lead, and spend lesser, okay, and be very, very smart to leverage on this system right now. Nobody is talking about this system in this industry right now. I'm breaking it down for you, the exact system that you're supposed to know, okay? Right now, I want you to actually know something. You see, you are on the manual massacre system right now, and the manual massacre system comes with various different issues that you are currently running right now. Right now, if you're a business owner, you're watching this video up to this part, then you are ready to actually, transform your business into a not just a well surviving business, but on a business that actually leverage. You see, the people who are actually on this system are survivors. Okay, you are trying to survive in this kind of system. Okay, where you're always going ready to serve the system, you're always ready to spend more cash on the system. So I'm breaking it down for you. Right now, this system comes to the first problem, the first hinges is the 5 minute window right away. I don't think right now, as good as anyone team is your team is good or meeting up with the 5 minute window, it's clearly that you're spending 80K, 60K, 100 grand, even a million grand a month just to actually, get to this point, just to actually hire a perfect team that can actually beat the 5 minute window. But right now, I can tell you that all is all about just having the right information and leveraging on the right skill. So right now, I want to actually read out something for you guys right now. You see, your operational success hinges on this, the 5 minute window. Data shows that if you don't connect with a new lead in that time, your conversion rate would drop by 80%. Now look at your reality. I want you to actually point to your failure flows. And whenever a lead comes in at 7 p.m., you have a team to actually call them at AM. Now I can tell you that this is currently a 1 hour interval. By then the lead is already gone. Okay. Or by then you actually try to follow up to this lead and you don't have the ability because your team do not want to be salesy. They don't want to actually spam on those leads. So they have emotions that have been attached to them. Whereby, okay, you're going to forget this lead and we're going to move to the next one. I am telling you about reality here due to what we have seen. Most business owner pays a lot, and especially the brokerage when we are working with, we have actually served them this system. We have run an AI audit flow map on the system on why they actually failed. So I'm breaking everything down. Okay. So most brokerages have the brokerages cost. Now, what am I talking about? You see, you are literally paying your competitors to close your deals for you, and most of them don't know this. You see, you're actually throwing $2,500 of your $5,000 monthly ad budget into the trash. Now, for me, this is actually costing you to actually try to solve a speed problem with a human problem. Right now, you want to get speed. And right now, we know that speed is to need. And most of you guys don't know about this. This is not making you lose about 5K spent on ad being wasted. So for me, the next thing you're always going to think of, or you want to hire a human to actually get that 5 minute window ready, is you're going for an ISA, which is an inside sales agent. Now, I can literally tell you the truth about the inside sales agent. Most people don't actually tell you. And the system is what is actually making you to, go down on this, because you see, most business owners, some of your competitors are already serving the kind of system. So you want to actually join them and serve the kind of system. So for me, you are not playing an unfair advantage here. You are trying to serve the same system they serve. So now, when you have a ISA, you got to solve this with a human ISA, whereby you're going to pay them $4,000 a month in salary and overhead for someone who has inconsistent performance. They get tired, they can't work weekends or late nights. You are paying a human to actually be your operational bottleneck. Right now, that is what I see right now. Not just what I see, that is what the system you are currently on tells you to actually do. Okay, the system is not telling you to actually transform your business, and most business owners right now don't actually love transforming the business. Okay, they want to actually stick to what they know right now. Right now, I can literally tell you, if you're watching this video, there is a bit of solution for this. Okay, now the solution is easy. You need to actually have a transformation. Okay, right now these videos actually show you why you need to transform, and literally this is very, very easy for any business owner or a brokerage is out there. You can literally transform by easy talk. Okay, so it is very easy. You don't need to be more calculated. All you need to do is to have a system that is 247, 365 days available for you, that never gets tired, never misses the 5 minute windows. You need a full AI transformation. That is the best opportunity right now in this economy, in every industry that is being outside right now. If you're a real estate agent, you're a broker, or you're running a brokerage firm, right now you should actually be looking at the AI right now. Right now, AI is coming very, very fast. AI has rapidly been involved in every industry, but some of us choose to actually ignore it because why? We don't know how to transform. We don't know the ability of what this system has. Right? Currently, I was sitting down and before I signed my first client, before I went down to this niche service-based businesses, I was more skeptical about knowing what was the pain. And most of them will literally tell me that they wish they had They'll be there 247, 365 days to actually, be open whenever a lead comes through the window. They want to be there in less than 3 seconds. They want to be there in less than 2 seconds. They want to be there in less than 1 minute. We are just talking about the 5 minute window. But I can literally tell you that AI has the ability not to actually go through the 5 minute window. AI can actually give you 2 minute window, call your lead in less than 1 second or 3 seconds or 4 seconds. So right now, you should actually be leveraging on AI right now. It's the best opportunity drawn to your table. Okay. So right now, what does this AI brings? It's a straight thing. It brings you an appointment. It appoints you guaranteed leads. Okay. Now, for me, the system we build, our AI conversion engine has one thing. It's going to hit your lead in 15 seconds, qualifies them with those 5 essential questions like that instantly pushes them into your hot leads and right straight into your maybe your real estate agent calendar. Now we have stopped selling leads. We are selling the appointment for you straight ahead. Now, what does this system have? You see, the first thing the lead is always going to encounter is an AI conversion engine. The second thing, the AI is going to send it into a CRM showing that okay, this is a hot lead, then sending the hot lead straight to your calendar. Now, all you have to do is to come in you and close the deal. You see that this is more efficient for you right away. We have made the market more predictable for you. We have made you leverage on the system. Right now, if you're a business owner, a service-based business person, or a real estate agent who have team on board, I'm not telling you to actually fire your team. You are not to fire your team, but for me, you are actually to use your team, transform your team well into an AI automated users where they are very good at using AI, where they are very, very clinical at using these tools. Now, if you're very, very clinical at using these tools, you are ready to speed right now because your competitors are thriving on one thing. You and your competitors are fighting for the same key. The same key is speed. Speed is actually need. So once you are able to have speed, you're able to close 5,000 clients in a year if you have speed. Okay. So right now, that is the most important thing in your business. The system we have talked about is what I actually want you to actually be leveraging on. Now, I want you to actually see this as an investment. Most of you don't see it as an investment. Most of you see it as a cost. Right now, this is not actually a cost. Okay, this is not a cost. It's actually an investment. See, you can actually move from paying a losing human of $4,000 a month to to a fraction of that system that guarantees you win, speed race, and deliver you pre-qualified deals to your agent. Now, the investment pays you itself with one single commission, just a single commission. So that's why I love this system. Okay, so right now, imagine you having to pay $1,500 monthly for an investment against $4,000 right away. Okay, it's literally simple. I want you to actually make your decision right away. Okay, I want you to actually make this decision. I want you to actually see your leakage. Right now, I don't want you to unsee the leakage. So you have two choices right away. Is either you keep paying $5,000 or 50,000 monthly cost, hoping your leads don't fail, which is you are running on a treadmill and you are actually surviving. You're running on a surviving counterpart with your competitors. Or I want you to actually invest in AI right now. I want you to actually leverage on AI, lead flow audit, and a roadmap to permanently solve your problem, whereby you sleep and you see incoming leads coming in. What if I guarantee that you can actually see 16 to 20 qualified leads a month with speed? Speed is actually key. So I want you to actually know this right now. And that is why I want real estate agents, brokerages, brokers to actually see this right now. You have to see this opportunity. You have to actually grab this opportunity that is being drawn at your table. Okay. So here is the horse running. I am giving you a blueprint that we use for top brokerages right away that makes them get 3 to 6 clients in a week right now. An AI full transformation roadmap. Okay. So the only thing that's going to happen is that we are only accepting 3 people this month. So because we want this system to be very, very effective. So I am accepting 3 people very well this month. So all I need you to do is to actually submit your form, your application in the link below, and the description is where you find the link to actually submit your details in the form. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Okay. Thank you very much.